Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.1%. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted 2.1% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The gold fell 0.7% against the dollar in the last trading session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The oil fell 0.4% against the dollar in the last trading session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The S&P 500 and the Dow indexes slipped as investors weighed hawkish Federal Reserve projections against data signaling cooling inflation. Although strength in chip stocks supported the Nasdaq component Broadcom soared 12.2% to hit a record high. Chris Amani, CEO of Terraform Labs, has announced that the firm will cease operations following a $14.47 billion settlement with the United States Securities and Exchange Commission. The company plans to sell key projects within the Terra ecosystem and give the community control of the Terra blockchain. The Canadian dollar weakened against its US counterpart as the greenback notched gains against a basket of major currencies, and the Bank of Canada reiterated it could cut interest rates further.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US Export Price Index will be released at 12:30 GMT. The Eurozone's Eurogroup meeting at 7 GMT. The US Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index at 14 GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions will be released at 19:30 GMT. Finland's Consumer Price Index at 5 GMT. The UK's consumer inflation expectations at 8:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.